Hello, my name is Rahi Chan. I'm a somatic sex educator and sexological bodyworker and creator of Somatic Sexual Wholeness. I've always wanted to create a podcast and YouTube channel that explores the fascinating intersection of all the aspects that make up the healthy embodiment of our organic sexuality. I've also always wanted to share the expertise and knowledge of leading somatic therapists, sexological bodyworkers, and holistic sexuality practitioners from different parts of the world. Below, you'll find clips from the podcast. For full episodes of the podcast, you can visit organicsexualitypodcast.com, where you can also download the free Organic Sexuality ebook. If you like what you see and experience, feel free to share, like, subscribe, and explore some of the practices in your own experience of your embodiment and your organic sexuality. Take care.